Hello, in today's video I'll tell you which parts of the ThermoMix TM6 are dishwasher safe. The quick answer is all of them, besides of course the base unit that connects to power. All of the parts are dishwasher safe. Now it is important to know how to disassemble your mixing bowl because it has to be disassembled before putting in the dishwasher. Remember that also after taking it out you should let it air dry for quite some time so that the pins don't get wet into the device. They shouldn't really be wet. So to disassemble it, hold it like that, so not upside down, and then twist the bottom clockwise. Now you can remove it and then gently remove the blades from the inside of the mixing bowl. Now this is basically it. So let me lay out all the parts that can go in the dishwasher. Of course, besides the base station. These are the mixing bowl parts. There's the butterfly whisk, it can also go in the dishwasher. The simmering basket, the spatula can also go in the dishwasher. And all of the parts of the Varoma, as well as the mixing bowl's lid and the measuring cup. Everything can go in the dishwasher. If you have additional parts purchased like the blade covers or the peeler, spiralizer and stuff like that, you can also put them in the dishwasher. Now if you'd like to learn how to assemble the mixing bowl, let me show you that. I'll just remove all the parts that are unnecessary. And now to assemble it, first insert the blade into that hole in the mixing bowl. Then I recommend laying this part flat on a table and starting with a 90-degree angle like that. Then slowly rotating until it jumps in. Then you can just slide it on. Okay, it didn't go on, sometimes it doesn't. Let's verify that the blade is in there. I think it is. Okay, now I can feel some force, and yeah, now it's installed and you can put it back into your base. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.